I'm just not a fan of how Elon Musk run the company. I
Yeah,
just love Tesla itself.
the
And the
company itself.
problem
Yeah,
with Tesla is you got to be married to both.
yeah.
Because if I could just be married to Tesla without being married to Elon Musk, I would love it. Because you don't know if Elon Musk gonna tweet something that piss all his investors off every day. So,
Yeah, yeah.
but you got to stand by him. You got to stand by him.
I think that Elon Musk is also showing how much power a lot of these business owners have, and usually most of them aren't outspoken. They're most of them not trying to be in the scenes at all. But Elon, of course, he could be there and not and still be a nice guy. But when you start going into edgy subjects and things of that sort, things will be affected, like you said. And he may not care because he knows that, hey, I have
Yep.
the money to sustain the company, but at the same time, it makes the investors like, dude, like, what's the goal here? You
Like,
know?
yeah, brother, we don't care who you vote for, whoever you vote for and stuff, that's on your
Yeah.
personal dime. But
Right.
when you're talking about it and it's affecting our stock and our money,
Absolutely.
you got to decide: do you want to be a regular person or do you want to be the billionaire that's running this company?